Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the watch ready. Make sure it's awake and unlocked and the battery isn't critically low. Now press the home or power button or swipe up to reveal apps and tap settings, the gear icon. Once in settings, you're looking for accessibility and apps options, these control voice features. You want to move quickly. Opening settings is the first actionable step because the assistant toggle lives in system controls, not in a third-party app. Keep going to disable it. You'll now navigate the middle steps. Go into accessibility, then hearing and interaction, because Samsung places talkback and voice assistant options there. Alternatively, open apps and look for Bixby or voice assistant settings if your watch uses that service. Once you find the voice assistant entry, tap it to reveal toggles labeled voice assistant, wake with button, or wake with phrase. Turn each toggle off. This stops the assistant from starting when you finish by confirming the assistant is disabled. Exit settings, restart the watch, then test, press the home or power button and speak the wake phrase to verify nothing responds. If the assistant still activates, make sure software is up to date. Go to settings about watch software update, then install any updates. If that fails, reset accessibility settings or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. This resolves lingering configuration issues. Contact Samsung support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.